Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to search for jobs on Indeed by salary. Searching by salary allows you to find positions that meet your financial needs and helps ensure you're considering roles that align with your expectations. So, let's get started on how to search for jobs on Indeed by salary. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top and enter the job title you're looking for. For example, graphic designer. Look for the drop-down menu below the search bar and scroll right until you find the pay option. Tap on it. Select your desired salary range. Tap the update button to apply the filter. The search results will now show the jobs that match your specified salary range. And that's how you can search job on Indeed by salary. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.